How to add funny sounds like this or this. Don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Open TikTok and click on this search icon. Type in funny videos or meme sounds. Now download any one of your choice to your gallery. Then return back to TikTok homepage. Now click on the plus sign. Upload or record the video. Click on this edit icon. Swipe to your left until you see overlay. Click on it. Now bring in one of those videos or funny sound that you downloaded from TikTok. Let's say we want to bring in this one. I'll choose this one. I'll click confirm. Now let's try it and see. Just play around it and that's it.